Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today we're going to play around with a little bit of geometry drawing with Porygon from Pokemon. Now let's get started over towards the left center of our page with the eye. So we start at the very top with a straight line, the top of the eye. Now from this side here, I just want to angle down and out with the same length line that we have along the top. Now from these 2 points, I want to angle down and out towards the right. We're going to go a little bit longer along the top. Now from the bottom, I'm going to go straight across to right about here. And we'll connect those 2 points with an angled line. Right in the center of the eye, I'm going to draw a small tiny square with a short line across the top, the sides, and then the bottom. And then we'll fill the eye in black. Now from here we're going to draw on the head, but I'm going to start with the top edge of the head. So let's start from this point in the eye. We're going to angle up and back towards the right. Now let's go to the front here and draw an angle line in the same angle, coming down towards the front of the head. From this top point, I'm going to angle up and out towards the left. And then from the front, we're going to draw that same angled line with a shorter line going up and out towards the left. Now let's work on the back side of the head. We're going to start up here. We're going to come down in an angle to right about here. Now from here, we're going to change the angle coming slightly downwards in towards this point. Stop right about here. And then we'll connect these 2 points with a straight line. Now I'm going to take this point here and draw a straight line, following that same line in the front, over towards the right. Now let's draw the front edge of the face. We're going to take this corner, draw a straight line coming down, and the same thing on the right. We're going to connect those 2 points with an angled line. Now from this corner, I'm going to draw a straight line going up towards the inside of the eye. We're going to take this line and just angle down and out towards the right, towards the bottom of this line. Now let's move to the back and draw on the side of the head. So from here, I'm going to follow that same angle, coming down with a longer line to right about here. Now I'm going to connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now from this point, I'm going to follow the same angle as this line on the eye, coming down to right about here. Now from here, we're going to angle in, make our way towards this point here, come in to right about there. Now we're going to go straight across towards the bottom corner of the face. Now let's take this line and draw a straight line coming down. Now that we got the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start with the front of the body first. So just underneath the head right here, I'm going to angle down and out towards the left. We're going to move to the back here. So about halfway along this line, I'm going to come back, down. I want to make sure that this line is lower than the one on the left. Now let's connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now we're going to draw on the side of the body. From this point, we're going to angle out towards the right, to right about there. Now let's connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now from this point, I'm going to angle down and out towards the right, right there. And then we'll connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now the front of the body comes out and then back in. So we're going to take this point here, angle down towards the right. Now this point, I'm not going to go as far. I'm going to pull it downwards. Coming down. Now I'm going to connect those 2 points with a straight line. Let's go back to the left and draw the left leg in behind the body and the head. So we start underneath the face here, angle down towards the front. Now I'm just going to follow the same angle as the body down here, the front of the foot, coming down. Now I'm going to angle this back up in behind the body. Now I'm going to take this line and just extend it a little bit further, coming down. Now I'm going to taper this out so it gets wider along the bottom of the foot. Now let's move over to the right and draw on this leg. I'm going to start about halfway along this line here, starting here. I'm going to come down at an angle, down towards the left, towards the front of the foot. Now I just want to make sure that this line at the bottom here lines up with the edge of this foot. So imagining a line going across to right here. I'm going to take this point and just continue that line going across. Now we're going to go up to the starting point, follow that same angled line, going out towards the side of the leg. And then we'll connect these 2 points with a straight line. Now this leg goes up and then back down towards the right. So let's start at this point here. I'm going to do a slight angle going up towards the right to right about there. Now we're going to go to this side and follow that same angle going back. And then we'll connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now let's take this point in the body and just draw a straight line coming down just to complete the body. Do the same thing down here. We're going to go up in an angle, in behind the leg. Now I just want to draw the front face of the foot here. So from this corner, I'm going to angle down. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now from the back, I'm going to draw a short straight line coming down to the bottom of the foot. Now let's connect these 2 points with a straight line. In the center of the body, there's a little detail up here. So we're going to start in the top corner and go down about halfway down this span here. From the bottom corner, we're going to go up and towards that point. Now the final thing I'm going to do is add that tail in the back, angling out towards the right. So from this point, I'm going to step down and draw a straight angled line going up towards the tip of the tail. From the tip, I'm going to draw a short line going across. Now I just want to taper the tail so it gets wider as we come in behind the body. So let's start at the top, pull a straight angled line coming down. Now going back to the top, I'm just going to draw a short angled line coming down and out. And then again, we're going to taper the tail coming in behind the body, starting up here, coming down at an angle, in behind the body, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Porygon from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.